This tutorial connects a Google form to Discord so that every new form response is automatically posted into a Discord forum channel as a formatted embed in its own tagged thread. By the end, submitting the form will create a new forum post in Discord within seconds, with the answers laid out section by section. Let's build it. We start in Discord inside a forum channel called Forms Vault. This channel already has tags set up: pending review, suspicious, rejected, scheduled interview, and approved. Open the channel settings, go to Integrations, then Webhooks. There are no webhooks yet, so click Create Webhook. Discord creates a default one. Rename it. Here it becomes Forms Vault Manager, and confirm the channel is set to Forms Vault. Update its icon if you want, then click Save Changes. Click Copy Webhook URL to copy the webhook link. You'll need it shortly. Next, open the Google form you want to connect to Discord. In this case, an Overthinkers Club moderator application. Scrolling through it shows its structure, a section asking the applicant to agree to the rules, then what is your Discord username? And what is your Discord user ID, followed by more sections with multiple choice and written questions. The position of each question in the form matters, since the script needs to know exactly where the username and user ID are. Now open the project's GitHub repository, Google Form Response, to Discord. The README explains what it does. It automatically sends Google Form submissions to Discord as rich embeds with forum channel support, thread naming, and auto-tagging. It auto-detects forum versus normal channel webhooks, creates a Discord forum thread per submission with a custom name and tags, handles multi-section forms by sending one embed per section, supports every Google form question type, and auto-truncates content to fit Discord's embed limits. Click Try the Config Builder. This opens a hosted configuration page, your settings on the left, and a live generated code.js file on the right that updates as you fill things in. Under Discord webhook, paste the webhook URL you copied earlier into the webhook URL field. Under form question mapping, the Discord username and Discord user ID question numbers are already set to 2 and 3, counting from 1, including page breaks, matching this form's question order. Under thread naming, this controls the forum post's title, the text shown above everything else. It's left on the defaults, the username first, followed by the static text. Switch back to Discord for a moment to look at the tags already configured on the forms: pending review, suspicious, rejected, scheduled interview, approved. Back in the config builder, under forum tags, paste in the ID for the tag that should be applied automatically. Here, the pending review tag, so every new submission lands already tagged. Under message content, the message sent above the embed is a mention, wrapping the Discord user ID placeholder in an @mention, actually pings the person who submitted the form, instead of just printing their ID as text. Scrolling to Embed Appearance, the heading defaults to the form's title, and Embed Color defaults to Random Color each time. Opening the drop-down shows the only other option, always one fixed color, which lets you pick a single flat color instead. This walkthrough leaves it on random. Under Answer Formatting, each question and answer pair is listed inside the embed with a nonce prefix, which Discord renders as a block quote. Unanswered questions display, no answer provided, and are still included rather than skipped. With everything set, click Copy at the top of the code panel to copy the whole script. Switch to the Google Forms Editor tab, open the three-dot menu at the top and choose Apps Script. A new tab opens with a blank app script project bound to this form, containing an empty function. Click the project name to rename it. Here it becomes Overthinkers Club, moderator form, and confirm the rename. select all the existing code in code.js, delete it, and paste in the script copied from the config builder. Save the project. Pick a function from the drop-down next to Run on Submit, and click Run to test it against the form's existing response data. The first run prompts for authorization. Click Review Permissions, choose your Google account, and since this is your own unpublished script, Google will warn that it hasn't been verified. Click Advanced, then go to Project Name, Unsafe to proceed, expected for a personal script you wrote yourself. Review what it's requesting, access to your Google Forms, and permission to connect to an external service. Select All and Continue. Back in AppScript, the execution log fills in. It reads the Discord user ID and username from the response, sends the forum post, then sends one message per section of the form, and completes successfully. This confirms the script can reach Discord and post correctly. A manual run only fires when you click it. To make this happen automatically on every real submission, open Triggers from the left sidebar. Click Add Trigger. Choose the function to run. On Submit, leave the deployment on Head, Set, select Event Source to From Form, and change. Select Event Type from On Open to On Form Submit. Click Save. The first save attempt fails with an authorization error tied to the browser's pop-up handling. Clicking Save again succeeds, walking back through the same Google account and permissions screens as before. Once it goes through, the triggers page shows one trigger on Submit, running on Head, firing on Form Submit. Opening the trigger confirms these settings. Back in Discord, the earlier manual test run already posted a thread using the form's placeholder response. Open it to see the embed with those sample answers, then delete that post to clean up before the real test. Google shows a confirmation message once the real submission is received. Switch back to Discord. A new forum post appears automatically, created by the trigger this time, already tagged Pending Review. Opening it shows the full multi-section embed, one message for the introductory section, and another for each section that follows, exactly as the README described. That's the full pipeline: a Discord webhook, a script generated by the config builder, and a form submit trigger tying them together.